Here we are discussing previous 100 questions from DME staff nurse examinations which was conducted in Kerala 2016 and 2018. So 100 question and answers. We are discussing question and answers only. So please watch fully. If you are not subscribed our channel, please consider subscribing, and alternate videos will upload for the coming DME and ESIC or railway examinations. So please watch video full.
This is a 2018 DME question paper 018/2018 question booklet alpha code A. So we can discuss from the 40 question onwards. First question, which among the following artificial insemination technology is used for the improvement of cattle population? Correct answer is MOET. MOET is commonly used in advanced cattle breeding. MOET full form is multiple ovulation embryo transfer. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer. Next question, which of the following is not a part of portal vein? Correct answer is hepatic vein. Hepatic vein is not a part of portal vein. Next question, a form of self-evaluation that helps nurse judge personal performance and make judgment about standards of practice. Correct answer is reflection. A form of self-evaluation that helps nurse judge personal performance and make judgment about standards of practice. That is reflection. Next question, the point at which the chlorine demand of water is fully met is called. Correct answer is break point. The point at which the chlorine demand of water is fully met is called break point. Next question, the conflict carried by individuals not for themselves but for an ideal. Correct answer is positive conflict. The conflict carried by individuals not for themselves but for an ideal is called a positive conflict. Next question, mosquito which breed in dirty and polluted water. Correct answer is Culex mosquitoes. Culex mosquitoes which breed in dirty and polluted water. Next question, National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education is also known as. Correct answer is Midday Meal Scheme. National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education is also known as Midday Meal Scheme. Next question, epidemiological triad excludes. Correct answer is health. Epidemiological triad excludes health, includes host, agent, environment. Next question, injection of diphtheria antitoxin gives. Correct answer is passive immunity. Injection of diphtheria antitoxin gives passive immunity. Next question, the storage temperature of BCG vaccine. Correct answer is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The storage temperature of BCG vaccine is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Next question, a strategy for effective communication where the interviewer validates information from the client without changing the meaning of statement. Correct answer is paraphrasing. A strategy for effective communication where the interviewer validates information from the client without changing the meaning of statement, that is paraphrasing. Next question, volume of blood pumped by the heart during 1 minute in a normal healthy adult. Correct answer is 5000 ml per minute. Volume of blood pumped by the heart during 1 minute in a normal healthy adult, that is 5000 ml per minute. Next question, formula used for converting Celsius scale of temperature to Fahrenheit scale. Correct answer is 9/5 into C plus 32. Next question, a physician order means medication to be given only once at a specified time. Correct answer is single order. Single order is a medication to be given only once at a specified time. Next question, the site preferred for giving IM injection for adults and anyone over 7 months is called. Correct answer is ventrogluteal. So ventrogluteal site is preferred for giving IM injection of for adults and anyone over 7 months old. Next question, rising ICP is accompanied by rising intracranial pressure is accompanied by bradycardia and hypertension. So in the case of intracranial pressure increasing, there will be chance of reduced pulse rate and increased blood pressure. Next question, a process of redirecting the energy produced by unacceptable desires or activities so that they become acceptable. Correct answer is sublimation. Sublimation is the process of redirecting the energy produced by unacceptable desires or activities so that they become acceptable. Next question, the suitable method to handle an overactive aggressive patient is? Correct answer is accepting the criticism and verbal attacks without punishment. Next question, recommended protein requirement of an Indian adult. Correct answer is 1 gram per kilogram body weight. 1 gram per kilogram body weight is the recommended protein requirement of an Indian adult. Next question, malnutrition comprises of the following form except micronutrition. Malnutrition comprises of the following form except micronutrition. Next question, the ratio for giving external chest compression and breathing in CPR. Correct answer is 30:2. Next question, first aid for strong acid and alkali poisoning. Correct answer is do not induce vomiting. That is the first aid for strong acid and alkali poisoning includes do not induce vomiting. Next question, approximate weight of the placenta at time. Correct answer is 1/6 of baby's weight. So that is the approximate weight of placenta at time, 1/6 of baby's weight. Next question, the part of fetal circulation which becomes fossa ovalis after birth. Correct answer is foramen oval. Which of the following condition of a pregnant woman needs immediate attention? Epigastric pain. So there is epigastric pain means the pregnant woman needs immediate attention. Next question, which among these is a sign or symptom of impending labor? Correct answer is lightening. Lightening is a sign or symptom of impending labor. Next question, drug of choice for the management of eclampsia. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is the drug of choice for the management of eclampsia. Next question, a nurse in a labor room should do this measure to prevent prolonged labor to a patient. Maintaining partograph. So, a nurse in labor always maintain partograph to prevent prolonged labor. Next question, technique used by a midwife in second stage of labor to facilitate delivery over an intact perineum. Ironing out. Ironing out is the technique used by a midwife in second stage of labor to facilitate delivery over an intact perineum. Next question, the measure which is done to manage shoulder dystocia. Correct answer is McRoberts maneuver. McRoberts maneuver is a measure which is done to manage shoulder dystocia. Next question, the most heat sensitive vaccine which should be stored at -20 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is polio vaccine. Polio vaccine is the most heat sensitive vaccine which should be stored at -20 degrees Celsius. Next question, the calories provided by 100 ml of breast milk to an infant. 66. So 66 calories provided by 100 ml of breast milk to an infant. Next question, Apgar scoring done at which time period has more predictive value of neonatal well-being? Correct answer is 5th minute. Apgar score usually done 1 and 5 minute. 5th minute value is more predictive. Next question, damage of 7th or 8th cervical or thoracic nerve roots leads to complex palsy. Damage seventh or eighth cervical or thoracic nerve leads to complex palsy. Next question. Kangaroo mother care may be continued for low birth weight babies until baby gains weight around 2500 gram. Next question. A child has breath holding spell. What advice will you give the parent to manage the child? Correct answer is be tolerant, calm and kind. So the parent should be tolerant, calm and kind when the child has breath holding spells. Next question. Which of the following is used for grading protein energy malnutrition? Goma scale. Goma scale is used for grading protein energy malnutrition. Next question. A patient who takes an antihistamine medication, diphenhydramine, what would be the expected side effect of the drug? Dry mouth. So dry mouth is an expected side effect of antihistamine medication diphenhydramine. Next question. A patient who is taking beta blockers is monitored for shock. Which manifestation of the shock won't present to such a patient? Tachycardia. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about malignant tumor? Malignant tumor invade surrounding cells and tissues. So that is correct about malignant tumor invade surrounding cells and tissues. Next question. The cost effective way to prevent spreading microorganism. Correct answer is hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is the cost effective way to prevent spreading microorganism. Next question. Ponderal index of term gestational age normal neonate. Correct answer is more than 2.5. Ponderal index of term gestational age normal neonate more than 2.5. Next question. The immediate action taken by a first aider to rescue a victim of heat stroke. Remove victim from hot environment. So immediately the victim should be removed from the hot environment. Next question. Which of the following is not a cause for pernicious anemia? Correct answer is bleeding. Bleeding is not a cause for pernicious anemia. Next question. Which of the following surgery leads to dumping syndrome? Correct answer is gastrectomy. Gastrectomy leads to dumping syndrome. Next question. Which of the lab value would the nurse to be evaluated for a patient with pancreatitis? Correct answer is serum lipase. Serum lipase to be evaluated for a patient with pancreatitis. Next question. The extrapyramidal side effect of antipsychotic agents are managed with the following group of drug except. Correct answer is barbiturates. Other drug, dopamine drugs, antihistamine, anticholinergic are used to manage extrapyramidal side effect of antipsychotics. Next question. Among the following, which one is a delusional disorder? Correct answer is Capgras syndrome. So Capgras syndrome is one of delusional disorder. Question. Which one is a fact about persons with suicidal tendency? Correct answer is most suicidal persons are undecided about dying or living. Most suicidal persons are undecided about dying or living. That is a fact about persons with a suicidal tendency. Next question. Publication of a false statement about an individual made either verbally or in some other form to the third person. Correct answer is defamation. Publication of a false statement about an individual made either verbally or in some other form to the third person, that is defamation. Next question. Most frequent neurotic disorder in purpurium. Correct answer is postpartum depression. Most frequent neurotic disorder in purpurium, postpartum depression. Next one, which of the following is used in drug dependence to prevent relapse? Naltrexone. Naltrexone is the drug used drug dependence to prevent relapse. Next question, most common psychiatric disorder after head injury is mania. Mania is the most common psychiatric disorder after head injury. Next question, which of the following is not an element of management? Correct answer is commanding. Commanding is not an element of management. Next question, ability of an instrument to detect changes or differences when they occur. Correct answer is sensitivity. Sensitivity is ability of an instrument to detect changes or difference when they occur. Next question, which among the following is not a fact about evidence-based practice? Correct answer is another form of utilization of research findings. So that is not a fact about EBP. It's not another form of utilization of research findings. Next question, as per the trial system, green color code refers to? Correct answer is injuries minor and treatment can be delayed for hours to days. That is a green color code trial system. The audit which is conducted between two regular audit. Correct answer is interim audit. The audit which is conducted between two regular audit, that is interim audit. Next question, one nurse is assigned the responsibility for the case of each patient from admission to discharge. Correct answer is case method. One nurse is assigned the responsibility for the case of each patient from admission to discharge, that is case method. Next question, informal communication is also known as grapevine communication. Informal communication is also known as grapevine communication. Next question, truth telling about the disease and its prognosis to terminally ill patient. Such situation, which ethical principle is followed by a nurse? Correct answer is veracity. Truth telling about disease and its prognosis to terminally ill patients. Such a situation, which ethical principle is followed by nurse? That is veracity. Question 57th മുതലാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. The increased blood flow to the pelvic organs in pregnancy render bluish color is called. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ വരുന്നത് Jacquemin's sign ആണ്. The increased blood flow to the pelvic organ in pregnancy render a bluish color is called Jacquemin's sign. Next question, the antidote for magnesium sulfate in eclampsia in pregnancy is? Correct answer വരുന്നത് calcium gluconate ആണ്. Calcium gluconate is the antidote for magnesium sulfate in eclampsia in pregnancy. The normal pH of urine is? Correct answer 4 to 8 ആണ്. The normal pH of urine 4 to 8 ആണ്. Next question, Trendelenburg position is provided for a patient with the following conditions except. Correct answer വരുന്നത് during thoracosynthesis. Thoracosynthesis Trendelenburg position അല്ല. Following spinal anesthesia, preventing shock, retaining fluids in retention enema. Okay, Trendelenburg position യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Whipple procedure is the surgical management of? Correct answer CA pancreas. Whipple procedure is the surgical management of CA pancreas. Next question, collection of air in the subcutaneous tissue. Correct answer is emphysema. Collection of air in the subcutaneous tissue, emphysema. Next question, humidifier attached to a oxygen source helps to? Correct answer is prevent dryness of mucous membrane. Humidifier attached to a oxygen source helps to prevent dryness of mucous membrane. Next question, massaging the insulin injection site leads to? Correct answer is unpredictable absorption. Massaging the insulin injection site leads to unpredictable absorption. Next question, normal serum potassium level is? Correct answer is 3.5 to 5 milliequilibrium per liter. Normal serum potassium level is 3.5 to 5 milliequilibrium per liter. Next question, normal intracranial pressure Correct answer is 0 to 15 mmHg. Normal ICP or intragranular pressure is 0 to 15 mmHg. Next question, dilation of renal pelvis is known as. Correct answer is hydronephrosis. Dilation of renal pelvis is known as hydronephrosis. Next question, largest cranial nerve is. Correct answer is trigeminal nerve. Largest cranial nerve is trigeminal nerve. Next question, melatonin is a hormone secreted by. Correct answer is pineal gland. Melatonin is a hormone secreted by pineal gland. Next question, route of administration of BCG vaccination is. Correct answer is intradermal. Route of administration of BCG vaccination is intradermal. Next question, Kaposi sarcoma is common in. Correct answer is AIDS. Kaposi sarcoma is common in AIDS. Next question, geriatric medicine is a specialty that focuses on. Correct answer is elderly population. Geriatric medicine is a specialty that focuses on elderly population. Next question, ECG changes in cardiac ischemia is. Correct answer is ST segment depression. ECG changes in cardiac ischemia is ST segment depression. Next question, the occupational disease caused by inhalation of cotton fiber dust over a long period of time. Correct answer is bicyanosis. The occupational disease caused by inhalation of cotton fiber dust over a long period of time. Correct answer is bicyanosis. Next question, an epidemic outbreak of disease in bird population. Correct answer is epornithic. An epidemic outbreak of disease in bird population, that is epornithic. Next question, the concept public health was born in. Correct answer is Rome. The concept public health was born in Rome. Next question, father of Indian surgery. Correct answer is Susruta. The father of Indian surgery, Susruta. Next question, first antipsychotic drug used in schizophrenia. Correct answer is chlorpromazine. The first antipsychotic drug used in schizophrenia, chlorpromazine. That is the oldest antipsychotic drug. Next question, dread of high places is called. Correct answer is acrophobia. Dread of high places is called acrophobia. Next question, the hyperpigmented patch on the cheeks and face of the pregnant woman is known as. The hyperpigmented patch on the cheeks and face of the pregnant woman is known as. Correct answer is chloasma. The hyperpigmented patch on the cheeks and face of the pregnant woman is known as chloasma. Next question, the HCG level in normal pregnancy reach a peak in. Correct answer is 60 to 70 days. HCG level in normal pregnancy reach a peak in 60 to 70 days. Next question, a specific type of imaging that uses a low dose of X-ray system to examine breast. Correct answer is mammography. A specific type of imaging that uses a low dose X-ray system to examine breast, that is mammography. Next question, inflammation of the cornea is called. Correct answer is keratitis. Inflammation of the cornea is called keratitis. Next question, hearing loss associated with aging is known as. Correct answer is presbycusis. His hearing loss associated with aging is known as presbycusis. Next question, the World Environment Day is celebrated on. Correct answer is June 5th. The World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. Next question, an example of calcium channel blocker. Correct answer is amlodipine. An example of calcium channel blocker is amlodipine. Next question, thiamine deficiency can lead to. Correct answer is beriberi. And thiamine deficiency can lead to beriberi. Next question, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was enacted by the Indian Parliament in the year. Correct answer is 1954. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was enacted by the Indian Parliament in the year 1954. Smallpox was officially declared eradicated from the entire world by World Health Organization in the year. Correct answer is 19 80. 90, 80. Next question. Multi-drug resistant tuberculosis is one that is at least resistant to. Correct answer is isoniazid and rifampicin. Multi-drug resistant tuberculosis is one that is at least resistant to isoniazid and rifampicin. Next question. The following is not an extrapyramidal symptom. Correct answer is anhedonia. Anhedonia is not an extrapyramidal syndrome. Next question. A type of delusion in which patient reports of non-existence of self or world. Correct answer is nihilistic delusion. Next question. 1 gram of protein gives. Correct answer is 4 calories. 1 gram of protein gives 4 calories. Next question. After snake bite, which of the following one is not a correct management? Correct answer is make a wound on the bite site to drain the blood. So that is not a correct management. Make a wound on the bite site to drain the blood is not a correct management. Next question. Difficulty in swallowing is termed as. Correct answer is dysphagia. Difficulty in swallowing is termed as dysphagia. Next question. Normal blood urea level is. Correct answer is 20 to 40 milligram per deciliter. Normal blood urea level 20 to 40 milligram per deciliter. The body temperature of a patient admitted with typhoid fever is 38 degrees Celsius. Convert into Fahrenheit scale. Correct answer is 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. The first mammary secretion is called. Correct answer is colostrum. The first mammary secretion is called colostrum.